guys, it's a vlogger! Alam mo na ba, nagkakanta na ako ngayon na vlog. Tapos shout out sa mga kaklase ko. Si Michiko, si Trisha, si Cyrus, si Johanna, yun na.
Anong gagawin mo para mag-subscribe sila?
Mag-comment kayo and pupuntahan ko kayo sa bahay niyo pag hindi kayo nag-subscribe. What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me. Talking to my face. Know you double cross me. Oh, you're such a pain. What a shame that you never spit change. What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me. Look into my face. Know you double cross me. But you're such a pain. What a shame that you never will take. Still didn't lie. What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me. Look into my face. Know you double cross me. But you're such a pain. What a shame that you never will take. See you in my dreams, I can do something really big. What a shame that you never really take. Did a liar. What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me. Talking to my face. Not a double cross me. Girl, you're such a fake. What a shame that you never really say. Tell me that you love me. Welcome to my face. Now you double cross me. Girl, you're such a fake. What a shame that your love is really a shame. Like and subscribe.
Galing. Ano, meron pa ba?
Wala akong choice pero golden hour.
Okay. Meron pa
Kasi
pala.
mahirap kasi wala kasi akong choice
Golden hour. Meron pa pala golden hour.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Shout out sa mga kaklase ko. Si Cyrus, Trisha, si Johanna, pati si babae to, si Michiko. Remember me. These times will even if I'm far away. I hold you in my heart. See the secret something which might be apart. Remember me. Remember me. You hear the sad guitar. Not only we can make a garden. And so you once again remember me.
Galing nga. Ay, kayanin mo yan. Sige.
Diba?
Yung iba na lang. Sige. Hindi yung bago mo. Try mo lang.
Ano nga yung kaya?
Try mo lang.
Yung kaya ko lang remember me and siguro na tapos kaya ko lang din
Yung STD Pamilya, try mo lang.
Sige. Bigyan mo na ako. Start.
1, 2, 3, start.
Dos.
1, 2, 3.
Wait lang.
1, 2, 3.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3.
Start.
Colors the sky and the moon and the moon. Who's endless red and the moon and the moon. Where should I put my shoes and the moon and the moon. Say, put them on your head and the moon and the moon. Me ang makaloko, dito loko. Yung Jessie, I lied and I'm Jessie. Ang tingin sa blessing. Ngunit ang makaloko.
Yung isa naman, yung bagong, yung Isme Di Pamilya.
Tapos,
Hindi pa pala tapos.
make me just go crazy. Make it, the levity is not shaking. You're just umakalako.
Yung isa naman, yung Isme Di Pamilya. Hindi pa tapos.
Di loko. Oh,
Galing. Yung isa naman, yung bago.
di ba yung,
Is
di
May
ba
Di
una yung
Pamilya.
umakaloko, tapos una yung remember, tapos yung sunod remember me.
Ah, sige na. Yung Isme Di Pamilya muna. Yung, ano, yung bago. Shoutout ka muna. Shoutout sa mga viewers mo.
Shout out kay Michiko, kay Johanan, pati kay sunod yung kay Cyrus, pati kay Trisha.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. Señores y señores, stastos, stastos. The music is the language of the world, as mi pamilya. It's my language of the world, as mi pamilya. The music is my language of the world, as mi pamilya. Music is my language of the... Now,
Tapos na. Meron ka pang ibang kakantahin?
remember me?
Ah, sige. Remember mo.
Remember me. Do I have to say goodbye? Remember me. Really make you cry. When I bring you far away, I hold you in my heart. Listen the secret song to you. Each night we are apart. Remember me. Do I have to say boy? Remember me. And you hear a sad guitar. Not the only thing that really make what can be. So you in my arms again. Remember me.
Meron pa? Iba-iba ka pang kakantahin?
Snake song. Use me for parts. You took away my face. You took away my arms. Now it's just as it fair. The in the bed. Even the bars you go to what I have to pay. This mint is blue. Steadily tis the two. I have my guitar, let me play songs